Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful day here in Florida. As you can see, I have my mask on. I was cleaning it last night, make sure it's ready for today, because today is day 2 of dive class. I asked the instructor if I can bring my GoPros. He said yes, so as long as it doesn't hinder my ability to move around. I was like, okay. So we're gonna try that out today and tomorrow. So this will be over the next 2 days, because tomorrow we have another day of diving. 2 days, and then I'll be dive certified. Kind of weird. It definitely is weird breathing underwater. Ear pressure regulation, I gotta work on that today, because man, yesterday I think I let it beat on my ear too long. Either way, we have an hour and a half to go. We're going to Alexander Springs today, the place we had originally planned for in the ocean. I guess there's an issue with the parking for where it's supposed to be. So he said that he will include us in the future, though, if we want to go out there. Yeah, I got about an hour and a half for the driving, so let's go. And we had to start the morning off right, and we got some Chick-fil-A this morning. The little mini bites that are most delicious. I mean, look at them. They're so adorable. We're currently about 5 miles away from our destination. Yes, this is the right-hand drive car. Nobody's in the passenger seat, which would normally be driver's seat. Yeah, what a long drive. It took me about an hour and a half to get up here, but it looks really nice up here. There's like a lot of like bike trails and really cool things, but it should be a couple more minutes and then we'll be at the springs. This is the place, and it is so creepy quiet here, but it's really pretty. My instructor is here, so I'm gonna go find him, find out what's going on, and then we'll see you guys once the GoPros are on. What's going on, everybody? Got my gear. Yep, all suited up. Yeah, this is pretty out here. Really like it. I've never been to one of these springs before, so check this out. Looks super clear. All right, I'm gonna head in now.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Well, everybody, that was a lot of fun. Good training today. Went down 21 feet underwater. Pretty cool. We had a lot of footage, so I think we're just gonna make this today's video, and then I'll record stuff for tomorrow. But if we come back here again, I won't make another video. But if we go to a different springs tomorrow or a different place, definitely gonna make another one. I had a lot of fun. My ear pressure thing that I was having no issue with the other day, worked on that today, super good. Hung out underwater for over an hour and a half, or not hour and a half, but we were in the water for an hour and a half. So much fun, and I cannot wait in the future to go into the ocean and bring that all to you guys. So as you can see, we're working on new things, and I told you they were coming. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button, lets me know you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do. And yeah, I think we're going in the ocean in November for scuba. Yep, that's right. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.